Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when games won't download in the Epic Game Launcher on your PC. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switch to a wired internet cable for a more stable connection. Slow or unstable internet is one of the biggest reasons download gets stuck. Next, inside the Epic Game Launcher, go to your library and try to pause and resume the download. Sometimes just refreshing the connection fixes the issue. If it is still not working, close any apps that use the internet like YouTube, Netflix or other downloads. This gives Epic Games more bandwidth to use. Now open the launcher settings. Click on your profile at the top right corner. After that, click on settings. Scroll down and check if download is turned on. If it is on, check it. This removes speed limits and make sure your Windows and your networks are updated. Outdated drivers can cause download problems. If it still doesn't work, restart your router, unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in and try the download. If download are still failing, check the Epic Games status page online. Sometimes their servers are down and you just need to wait. And that's it. By checking your connection, pausing and resuming the game, removing speed limit, updating drivers should be able to fix the problem on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.